Hi, I'm Kristin Omdahl and welcome back to my studio. In this video, I want to show you some tips and tricks on navigating through my brand new website. Share your project is another really exciting section of the website I want to share with you. Okay, so you might be asking, okay, how do I do that? So the share your project is a drop down at the very top of the website. You can click on submit your project, which will give you a form for filling out yourself. If you want to submit a project, you would enter your name here, your email, your username for your account on the website, if applicable, the title of your project, the pattern title and designer name, and the type of yarn used. Then any other information you would like to share about your project, you could leave in this text box. Then you will add your files here. You would select your files from your device. Please notice here that there is a maximum of 3 images allowed, and please make sure they are no more than 1 megabyte each. If you are having trouble resizing your images, there is also a resource here for a free online website that will help you to resize your photos if you need it. It's down here. So you would select your files. You can add up to 3 here and then click submit. All submissions are subject to approval, and the approval process may take up to a few days. And then let's go back to the top of the website here under Share Your Project, and that's where you can view other members' projects. And this is where your project, once submitted and approved, will show up as well. We only have 1 here so far, but I anticipate seeing a lot more very soon. And here you can click on it, and it will open up to the full-size image. This is Judy's version of the Fernanda crochet pattern that she made in Be So Sporty yarn, and she talks about who she made it for, and then I've linked the yarn and pattern so that if you are inspired by Judy's project, you could make the same thing yourself. Pretty cool, right? So that's in the Share Your Project section up here. Now you can share your projects of knit and crochet projects you have made with Kristin Omdahl patterns, Kristin Omdahl yarns, or both. Simply fill out the form, add your photos, and submit your project. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please feel welcome to leave them for me in the comments. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.